Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to create a foreign key in Supabase. First, open your web browser and visit the Supabase website. Once you're there, log into your account and click the dashboard button in the top right corner. Next, select your organization and then choose the project you want to work on. After that, hover over the left sidebar to expand it and click on the table editor option. Once you're in the table editor panel, select the table for which you want to create the foreign key. Here, you can see how it looks after creating a foreign key. For example, the author ID column in the comment table is linked to the ID column in the blog users table. We will do something similar with the author id column in the post table, linking it to the id column in the blog users table. Let's get started. First, click the three-dot icon on the right side of the table and then select the edit table option. Scroll down to the foreign key section and click the Add Foreign Key Relation button. First, select the schema, then choose the reference table. In my case, I'll select blog users. After that, select the column of the table to which you want to add the foreign key. Next, select the reference table column. You can add more foreign keys at once if you wish. For the On Delete option, select No Action and choose Set Null for the On Update section. Finally, click the Save button, then click the Save button again to update the table. Now you can see that the foreign key has been added to author ID. This is how you create a foreign key in Supabase. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content.